To get into the pose, set yoga wheel to your lower back. Get thumb inside the wheel and fingers outside. Lift your glutes to extend and roll your spine. Fold your legs one by one. Rest your head and shoulders on the mat. Leave your arms support from the wheel and place it on the mat well. Then slowly lift your right leg to the tabletop with the pointed foot and tap it down. Slowly doing with this left leg in the same manner with foot pointed so that you tap down. Take your legs forward, pull your kneecaps in, then again bring your palm support to the wheel to pull back, releasing to your starting position. In the second back bend, hold the wheel like in the video to lift your glutes and extend your spine completely. Rest your crown head along with the palm and elbow folds to touch on the mat. Bring your legs straight and without leaving the wheel, come back to the starting position to Namaskar. In the third back bend, start with standing on your knees and putting the wheel in between the feet to fix the yoga wheel between the sacrum and lower back. Now back bend slowly with holding the feet one by one. Take your hands back to arch your spine, extending deeply. In the fourth back bend, start with a child pose. Roll back to Vajrasana sitting position. Then again walking forward, arms extending to child pose to take your arms back to Vajrasana again. Repeat it at least 3 to 4 times for a better spinal relaxation. Thank you.